students, welcome back to Maths online class. In the last class I have given some home assignment. I hope you all completed that everything. In the last class what did you learn? Converting rational numbers into decimal form. Are you remember that? What did you learn? Converting rational numbers into decimal form. Now we are going to teach converting the decimal numbers into rational. Converting decimal numbers into rational. First, conversion of terminating decimals into rational numbers. Already you know that rational numbers two types. What is terminating decimal and non-terminating and recurring decimals. Now I am going to teach converting terminating decimals into rational numbers. First question, example 2.4. Convert the following decimal numbers in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. First one 0.35, second one 2.176, third one minus 0.0028. First question 0.35. Converting these decimals into rational number in the lower class itself you have learned. Once again you can remember that. First is 0.35. First what you have to, in the number line how we can read this? First before the decimal form, ones, tens, hundred, like that it will be go. After the decimal, tenth, hundredth, next one more digit is there means thousand. Here one, tenth and hundred are there. Now first 0.35. First what you have to do? First you want to write this 35 integer part. 35 without decimal point you have to write the numbers. Here tenth, hundredth digits are there. So you have to divide it by 100. 35 divided by 100. Then we have to cancel this. Can we cancel this? Yes. Is it 5 table we can cancel. 5 table cancelling time. 7 times 35. Next 2 times 10 0. It's equal to 7 by 20. It's equal to 7 by 20. It's equal to 7 by 20. Then the second problem. .176. 2.176 is equal to, first here read this, here ones only there. Next here tenth, hundredth, thousandth, tenth, hundredth, thousandth. First we want to write the numbers without decimal point, including 2 you want to write 2176. Denominator you have to write which number? 100. After the decimal point 3 digits are there. So we have to divide it by 1000. The 1000 3 zeros are there. So 1000 we want to be divided by thousands. First we can cancel by 2 table. 1 2 is 2. Next here what is there? 1. But the 1 is less than 2. So you have to take this 7 and 7 together. 17 together. Before taking that you have to include 0 here. Don't forget to include 0. Now 17 together take it. 8 2s are 16. Next 1 balance. 8 2s are 16. Denominator. First here 2 digit taking together no problem. First starting you can take without including 0. The next 5 2s are 10. Next 0 0. Then again can be cancelled? Yes. When we are cancelling what will we get? Sorry, 5 2s are 10. What will we get? Then next 2 times 2 2s are 4. 1 balance 5 2s are 10. 0. Next 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Again we can cancel this by 2 table. What will we get? 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Next 1 balance, 5 2s are 10. Next 2 2s are 4. 1 balance, 14 is there. 7 2s are 14. Next 2 2s are 4. So what is that? Then we cannot cancel this, so we can write this as the answer. 272 by 125. 272 by 125. Next we can go to the next problem. What is the next problem? Third problem. Minus 0.0028. What is the third problem? Minus 0.0028. How can we write it? First, don't forget to write this minus. Integer part, what is that? Number. We no need to write this to 0. 28 only write. Now, read this. 10th, 100th, 1000th, 10,000. 10,000. So, you want to be divided by 10,000. So, is equal to minus 14 by 5,000. Next is 7 times here. 2 2s are 4, 1 balance, 5 2s are 10, 0, 0. So it's equal to minus 7 by 2,500. Minus 7 by 2,500. Okay, so have you understand that? Converting decimal numbers into rational numbers. Terminating decimal numbers into rational numbers. We have to do like this. Okay, next we can go for the next problem. Next, conversion of non-terminating and recurring decimals into rational numbers. Conversion of non-terminating and recurring decimals into rational numbers. Example 2.5. Convert the following decimal numbers in the form of P by Q. Convert the following decimal numbers in the form of P by Q. First question 0.3 bar. Second one 2.124 bar. Next, third question 0.45 bar. Next, fourth question 0.568 bar. First, we can go to the first problem here. First problem. .3 bar. 0.3 bar. First you have to take it. Let x is equal to the given rational decimal number. You want to take it. Let x is equal to 0.3 bar. Let x is equal to 0.3 bar. That is x is equal to what we can write it? 0.333 etc. 0.333 etc. Take it, this is equation number 1. Take it, this is equation number 1. Here how many digits are repeating? Only one digit is repeating. If one digit is repeating, you want to be multiply this equation 1 by 10. One digit repeating means you want to be multiply this equation 1 by 10. So if you multiply by 10, what will we get? 10x is equal to the decimal point will be moved one digit after. Here 10x will be get. Here the decimal point will be moved one digit after. What will be getting? 3.333. One more 3 for doing the problem. How many 3 we can write? Etc. Many 3 is there. So I am writing one more 3. Here also 3 digit. Here also I am writing 3 digit. Etc. Equation 2. Then we have to solve this 2 equation. You want to be subtract equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1 implies equation 2 first write 10x is equal to 3.333 etc. This is equation 2. What is equation 1? X is equal to 0.333 etc. This is equation 1. Okay, equation 2 minus 1. Subtracting term, what will we get? Equation 2 minus 1. Here 1, x means 1x is there. So 10 minus 1 is x, write it here. 10 minus 1, 9. 9x is equal to, here everything 0, 0, 0, 0.3 will be get 3. Okay, 9x is equal to 3. What we are getting? 9x is equal to 3. So therefore x is equal to what? X is equal to x is equal to 3 by 9. X is equal to 3 by 9. When we are cancelling 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. It's equal to 1 by 3. So it's equal to x is equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore 0.3 bar is equal to 1 by 3. 0.3 bar is equal to 1 by 3. Next, second question. We can go for the second question. Have you understand? First 0.3 bar x like that we have to take it. Then here 1 digit repeating means you want to be multiplied by 10. So 3.333 etc. Here also 3 digit after etc. I am writing. 10x is equal to 3. First equation 2 minus 1. You want to be subtract equation 2 from equation 2 to equation 1. So 10x is equal to 3.333 etc. X is equal to 0.333 etc. Subtracting time here x means 1x. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9x is equal to 3. We are getting x is equal to 3 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore 0.3 bar is equal to 1 by 3. Then we can go for the second problem. Second problem is 2.124 bar. 2.124 bar. Here also you have to take x like that. This 2.124 bar we want to take it x. Let x is equal to 2.124 bar. Let x is equal to 2.124 bar. So that is equal to 2.124 etc. 2.124. This bar means it is repeating again. So 124 etc. This is equation 1. Next, how many digits are repeating here? Yeah, 3 digits are repeating. So 3 digit repeating means 1 digit repeating means we multiplied by 10. 3 digits repeating means we have to multiply by 1000. So 1000 x is equal to equation 1 into 1000. Equation 1 into 1000 implies 1000 x is equal to what we are getting. How many digits will be moved? Decimal place, how many digits will be moved? 1, 2, 3. The decimal point will be come here. So what is getting? 124 etc. Here decimal after 6 digits are there. So I also writing 6 digits afterwards etc. I am writing. So 1000x is equal to 124 etc. It is equation 2. Then we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 2 to equation 1. So what will we get? 1000x is equal to 214.124 1 to 4, 1 to 4, etc. This is equation 2. Next equation 1 is x is equal to 2.124, 1 to 4, etc. This is equation 1. When we are subtracting, what will we get? 2 minus 1. Here 1x 6 minus, and this means what? 1x. X, here 0, next here 9, 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9, next 9, 9. 999x is equal to, here also subtract it. Here this 0 will be get, here also 1, 4 minus 4, here 0 will be get. Next 4 minus 2 is 2, next here 2, 1, 2. So 999x is equal to 2122.00. So x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 2122 by 999. 2122 by 999. Can we cancel? We cannot cancel. So we can write this as the answer. Next we can go for the third problem. Have you understand? First here 3-digit repeating. 3-digit repeating means we want to be multiplied by 1000. Next afterwards we have to subtract equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1 means 999x is equal to 2122.00. Next third question is what? What is the third question? 0.45 bar. 0.45 bar. Here only this 5 only bar is there. Only one digit only repeating. Here also you want to take it. Let x is equal to 0.45 bar. That means x is equal to 0.4555, etc. X is equal to 0.4555, etc. Take it equation 1. First what you have to do, which digit is not repeating? 4 is not repeating. This 4 you want to be take before the decimal point. First, without repeating digit, you want to take it before the decimal point. So we have to multiply by 10. Equation 1 you want to be multiplied by 10. 10 multiplying time. This 10x is equal to, this decimal point will be moved here, 4.555, etc. This you take it equation 2. This one you want to take it equation 2. Next, equation 2. Again, listen here. This 100th digit is repeating, is it? 10th 100th digit is repeating. 100th digit is repeating means this equation 1 again you have to multiply by 100. 100th digits onwards only repeating. Otherwise, this hereafter which digit is repeating? 10x. Hereafter one digit is repeating. Again this equation 2 into 10. Equation 2 into 10 we want to take it. Equation 2 into 10 means what will we get? 10x. 10 into 10x is equal to, this digit will be, move one digit after, 45.555, etc. Here also 3 digit after the decimal point. Here also I am writing 3 digit after the decimal point. Afterwards I am putting etc. This you take it equation 3. That is equation 10 into 10, 100x is equal to 45.555, etc. This is equation 3. Now, you want to be subtract equation 3, equation 2 from equation 3. From equation 3, you got to subtract equation 2. What will we get? Equation 3 minus 1 means 2 means what will we get? First you want to write 100x equation, which is equation 3. 100x is equal to 45.555 etc. This is equation 3. Next, equation 2 is 10x is equal to, what is that? 4.555 etc. This is equation 2. We have to subtract. When we are subtracting, what will we get? Here x. Next, 0. 90x is equal to, here 0, 0, 0. Here what will we get? Here 1, 4. 90x is equal to 41. What we are getting? 90x is equal to 41. Therefore, x is equal to 41 by 90. Therefore, x is equal to 41 by 90. Can we cancel this? No, we cannot cancel. Once again, I am explaining. First, x is equal to 0.45 bar. It is given. So, here 5 is repeating again and again. So, I am writing x is equal to 0.455 etc. Here, which digit is not repeating? 4. Only one digit is not repeating. So, you multiply equation 1 into 10. Equation 1 into 10 means 10x is equal to 4.555 etc. That is equation 2. Next digit onwards it is repeating. So, there is only one digit only repeating. So, in this equation 2 you want to multiply by 10. After 10x is equal to 4.555 is repeating. So, equation 2 you want to multiply by 10. So, 10 into 10x means 100x is equal to 45.555 etc. So, 100x, then equation 3 minus equation 2. That is 100x is equal to 45.555 etc. minus 10x is equal to 4.5555 etc. So, when we are subtracting, 90x is equal to 41 getting x is equal to 41 by 90. This is the decimal expansion. This is the rational number of rational form of 0.45 bar. Next, fourth problem. Fourth problem, 0.568 bar. 0.568 bar. Same procedure. In the third problem, how we completed, same method you have to do this fourth problem also. First, let x is equal to 0.568 bar. How many digits are repeating? 2 digits are repeating. So, this we can write it x is equal to 0.5. 5 is not repeating. So, 5 one time only want to be right. Next is 6 side, etc. Take it equation 1. This want to take it equation 1. Next, here which digit is not repeating? 5 is not repeating this. That is 10th digit is not repeating. So, you want to bring this 5 before the decimal. So, you have to be multiply that into 10. So, 10x is equal to 5.6868 etc. This is equation 2. Equation 2, x into 10. 10x is equal to 5.6868 etc. This is equation 2. Next, what are the digits are repeating? 6868. So, hereafter this 10x is equal to 5.6868. Here 2 digits are repeating. So, this equation 2 you want to multiply by 100. Equation 2 you want to be multiplied by 100. So, 100 into 10x is equal to, this decimal point will be moved 2 digit after, that is 568.68 One more time I am writing 6, 8, etc. Equation 3. Then only we will be get, what's that? 4 digit after the decimal point. Here also 4 digit. Here also we will be get 100 into 10 means 1000x is equal to 568.6868 etc. Equation 3. Then we have to multiply equation 2 and equation 3. Equation 3, from equation 3 we have to subtract equation 2. When we are subtracting, what is getting that? Equation 3 implies 1000x is equal to 568.6868 etc. This is equation 3. What is equation 2? 10x is equal to 5.6868 etc. This is equation 2. When we are subtracting, what is getting that? Equation 3 minus 2 implies, here x write it, 0, next 0, 9, 10. 10 minus 1 means 9, 9. 990x is equal to, here everything 0 will be get here. What is getting that? 8 minus 5 is 3. Next 6 minus 6, 3. So it's equal to, x is equal to 363 by 990. So it's equal to 363 by 990. So 1, 2, 1 divided by 330. Again, can we cancel? No, we cannot cancel again. So it's equal to 121 by 330 is the answer. First x is equal to 0.568 bar, you have to be write it. Here 6, 8 is repeating again and again. First, which digit is not repeating? 5 is not repeating. So you want to multiply this by 10. 10x is equal to 5.68. Then this 5 will become before the decimal point. 5.6868 etc. Here 2 digits are repeating. So equation 2 you want to be multiplied by 100. 100 into 10x is equal to 568.6868 etc. So 1000x is equal to 568.6868 etc. We have to subtract equation 3 to equation 2. So when we are subtracting, we are getting 990x is equal to 363. X is equal to 363 by 990 is equal to 121 by 330. Here 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Next is 6. Here 5 will be get. So what is that? X is equal to 563 by 990. So it's equal to, x is equal to, can we cancel this? We cannot cancel. So we can write x is equal to 563 by 990. So the decimal expansion of the rational number form of 0.568 bar is equal to 563 by 990. Next we can go to the, you have to be do some homework problem. Now I am giving some homework problem. You have to be do this. You have to do the homework problem. Exercise 2.2. Fourth problem. Express the following decimal expansion into rational number. This is 0.24 bar. You want to take it x. Next 100x is equal to 24.8. That will be get. Then you can do that. Second problem 2.327 bar. Here also, here you want to be multiplied by 1000 and do it. Here this is a recurring decimal. It is a terminating decimal. So you want to be divided by 1000 minus 5332 divided by 1000 like that you can do it. These 3 problem non terminating and recurring. So you have to do, now I completed now the same model you have to be do this. This one terminating decimal expansion. First I completed now same model you have to be do that. So you want to be do this 4 problem clear, you want to be do that. I think so you have understand this problem everything very clearly. I thank you students. You complete this homework. Thank you students.